I'm very worried about how this is going to end.
If they ever find out about these meetings, we're all in trouble.
This video will show you how to correctly make a motion under Robert's Rules of Order. A main motion is the way you bring any particular subject or issue before a meeting of the members for its consideration. In order to make a motion, a person must first obtain the floor by standing up or raising their hand and being recognized by the person in charge, who is called the chair. You should then address the chair respectfully by saying President, Mr. President, or Madam Chair. Or you could ask the chair how they would like to be called.
Mr. Chair.
The chair then recognizes the person, which gives them the floor.
Amik has the floor.
The mover of the motion now has permission to speak, and nobody else can speak as long as she has the floor.
I suggest, to avoid suspicion, we meet after midnight from now on.
To properly make a motion, you really should begin with, I move that.
Oh, sorry. I move that. To avoid suspicion, we should meet after midnight from now on.
After the person with the floor makes their motion, they may simply sit back down.
Didn't you hear him?
Who?
The voiceover guy.
Now at this point, we don't know who did it, do we?
No, but that's what this chapter's all about.
Can't wait to finish this.
Oh, there's only one thing left to do. Chug.
Chug, 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 chug.
There's Healing. Any asparagus left?
Brought to you by OPSEU, Ontario's Union for Changing Times.
What are you, Newton?